Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to mute the microphone on your ACER Chromebook Spin 730. Ways to do that, both through settings. First, open the Control Center by clicking the icon, then the Settings icon. In Settings, scroll down to Device, then go to Audio. Here you'll find your audio inputs, and you can disable the microphone by clicking the microphone icon to mute it, then click again to unmute. The other way is to turn off microphone access for applications. Go to Privacy and Security, then Privacy Controls, and toggle off microphone access. This will block microphone access for any third-party apps on your laptop. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this helps, please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.